Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We're taking a look at this Burberry model, BE4251Q in color code 300213. It's a dark Havana color frame. On the temples here we have the Burberry detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a brown gradient color. This frame is RXable, and the style of the frame is fashion round. Up here we have a Burberry gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.